Last ball. So guys, first over is completed and our Sriram is got out. Sorry. Wow, we were waiting for that.
Oh,
And it's a wicket of Krishna and first over wicket of Datta. Yeah. And the
Okay, let's go.
यार है वो तो कृष्णा है
tails.
tails is the call and it's tails and Krishna is thinking
Bowling.
and it's bowling so let's so guys, welcome to my new vlog. So today we are playing another T20. Last time I have told 2 series and today another match. So, as usual in my team, Subbu and Shriram and common is Uzair. If you see the opposite team, this guy Krish is the captain and Vinay and Ankit. In our team, Subbu is the captain. Myself, we have not won the toss. Krishna's team has won the toss and they have decided to ball first. So let's go and score a good target. Sorry, set them a good target. Yep.
So guys, I'll do first bowling. Actually, we won the toss and choose. See this guy. Let it be. We'll try to make them score as less runs as possible. So, first one.
First ball.
Again!
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ 2 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಬರೀ ನೀರ್ ಬಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಡ ಲೈನ್ ಅದು ಕಲ್ ನೀರ್ ಬಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಡ ಲೈನ್ ಅದು ಕಲ್ಲೆ ಐತ ರನ್ ಏನ್ ಭಾಳ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ 4th ಬಾಲಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ 3rd ಬಾಲಿಗೆ 1 ರನ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 6 ರನ್ ಐತೆ ಯಾರ್ದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ 4th ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ last ball. So guys, first over is completed and our Sriram is got out. So bad guys. He has hit and 1-6 for our team. Let's continue that.
Again, same.
Subbu kai. Wide plus single. And second ball. Sorry, first ball. First was wide. Now second ball. Hey! And another early collapse. And now no ball. Common has arrived. My wicket also gone, guys. But it was bowled. 2D plus no ball. In second or 4th ball, it's a no ball. And another wide by Aniket. And guys, it's 5th ball. Subbu is ready. And he still survived. They thought it was out. Now, last ball of the over. Ankit is in a knee for last ball. And still, they have hit the ball. And a quick single completed. Subbu's 2 run and Sriram 6 runs and mine 3 run and Uzair 4 runs. So let's see, third over, captain again arrived. Let's see what captain will impact on our team. Second over, 1 ball dot. And it's in 4. And now 8 runs for Uzair. Third over is running. Still Vinay has not bowled. And the captain's ball. And Common has missed it. And so Uzair refused to take a single. Hard. Wow. Good bowling. And again refuses to take a single. And third over. Oh, very awesome bowling. And a single by Uzair. 5 runs for Uzair. Sorry, 9 runs. Oh, 4 we have. Ready to play a fourth ball of third over. Oh. Subbu is ready. Wow, we were waiting for that.
Oh,
And it's it. So guys, 6 for Subbu
ball.
and 9 runs for Subbu. Guys. Oh, Subbu missed the ball. And Uzair is halfway. So still Subbu completed. And Subbu is appealing for wide. Third over, first ball. Oh. And a throw over to the boundary. Over to the boundary. And it's a 6. Uzair's runner 19. Now. Oh, Uzair left the ball. 3 balls over. Fourth over, 3 ball completed. So guys, very sad. My wicket gone very early. It happens. You can understand guys due to the... Wow, another 6 by Uzair. Good batting and controlled batting. He is looking very confident today. So let's hope till the 20th over this batting will continue. Till the ball comes, let's announce that. So let's officially decide Datta can play now for Krishna's team and officially Uzair come to our team. So let's play. And guys, another rule has implemented today. Every bowler can get only 5 overs. So let's go. And now it's the 5th ball. Oh, wow, 4. And it's an boundary. Last ball of 4th over. And he leave the ball. Still a single. Oh, good single. 30 runs for Uzair. And strike rotated after over. 5th over. 5th over. Disturbance. And 5th over. Wow, good wide. Good wide. And first ball, again wide. Sorry, it's an ball. 31 for Uzair. And he hit it. And only a single. 32 for Uzair. He's coming near 50 after several days. Yep. And now it's third ball. Still defensive play and missed the ball. And we still got a run. 11 runs for Subbu. So guys, let's hope gets good. Oh, bowling by Ankit. Good bowling. Last 2 of 5th over. Another single. 33 for Uzair. A honest reply. And And last ball completed. Fifth over. And it's an sixth over, last over of power play. Wow, wonderful, 6 plus wicket. And now only last player.
Ankit, catch!
Oh, Subbu single. 12 runs for Subbu. And it's an 6 for Subbu. After a long many balls.
Fielder.
And
Ankit!
wonderful boundary.
Ankit, yeah.
22 runs for Subbu. Deck. Wide. Good wide and plus single. Keeper is sleeping, I think. 24 and good batting.
Datta keeper ko jaldi
Still a
jaldi.
single. 25.
Keeper.
Good batting, good batting. ಏನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಲೈನ್ ಅದೇ ಐತ್ಲೆ ಓ ಗುಡ್ ಬಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ವಾವ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ 4
Hak Ankit.
ಗುಡ್ 4
Eh, Vinay.
good 29 and power play completed. It's a 7th over. Good shot and it's an boundary plus single and a single. Now second ball single ಇನ್ನ ಆಗೇ ಅಲ್ಲ and it's a catch. Oh, he lead the catch. Wow, a single. 3 balls over. Oh no. DRS 7th over. Wow, good boundary. Wonderful runs for Subbu. Which catch they have left. Now they have to regret. So let's see. 7th over. Oh no, it hits his stomach. Still a single. 7th over is running and another wide and single. Sorry, only single. Oh, defense. Single. Wow, quick single. Good single, quick single. 46. Oh, wow, bowling and it's an wicket. And we have got all out. So let's count runs. 46 Subbu and Uzair 39, 70. So 95 is target. So let's go. Stop them. Here. ಚಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ ನೀ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂದ್ರಾತೀವ ಹೆಂಗ ಬೌಲರ್ ನೀ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಕೈಯಾಗ ಬಾಲ್ ಕೊಡತ್ತೇಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂದ್ರಾತೀನಿ ನಾ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಾಲ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತ ನಾ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಓ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಓ ಬಾಲ್ wide. 5th ball. Oh, bowling. Oh, yes, Subhya. 4. Last ball. Okay. Second over. ಸುಮ್ಮ ಹೋಗ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲಿ and wide over ಮುಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀನೇ ಬರೀ wide. ಓಡಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನೀನೇ ಓಡ್ಬೇಕು 4 ಆಯ್ತು ಹೋಗಿಬೇಡ ಎಣಸ್ಕೋ ಒಟ್ಟು Guys, three over, two wickets. First over, first wicket, and third over, second wicket.
ಯಾರು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟಿಗೆ ದತ್ತ
Wicket of Krishna, and first over, wicket of Datta.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬೌಲರ್
So let's see. So guys, new player arrived. IPL player. Ankit.
ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಔಟ್
Oh,
I think the word should have still understand.
last ball. Last ball, guys, last ball.
On the strike. And it's the last ball.
ಜೋರಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
Last ball. It's a full toss. And a single. And a 4. 5 runs in a ball.
Ball.
Oh, shit out.
Good morning, Subbu. Good morning. Pressure wicket.
Now
In pressure, they got wicket. So bad, guys.
Now the IPL player is only remaining.
IPL player.
Pakka IPL player should play.
Hey,
So
ಏನೇ?
cheerleaders came. Cheerleaders came.
ಏ ಸರ್ ಮೂರನೇ ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಬಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಗುಡ್ ಬಾಲಿಂಗ್. ಬೇಡ ಸರ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆನಾ.
Oh.
ಯಾರು ಹಾ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಬಿಡು ಬೇಡ ಒಗಿಬೇಡ ಹೇಳಾರ್ದು ಏನು ಒಗಿಬೇಡ.
ಯಾರಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಕ್ಕ IPL
ಬಾಲಿಂಗ್
player.
ಬಾಯ್ ಸುಬ್ಬು. ಓ ಓ ಏ ಉಜ್ಜ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಕ ಬಾಲ್.
Ankit Bhai.
And last ball. Bowling.
Shit, this glare. Oh, that's why it's glaring. Oh. A double.
So guys, fifth over.
Oh.
Four.
So guys. Oh.
Ball. On
So guys, that was close call or it was out.
ball.
Oh. And double. It's not a four. Ankit. So 5 balls completed. Who's bowling next? Oh,
Select.
that was a very close call. Pakka IPL player on strike.
ನಿಂದ್ರ ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ.
Oh,
ಕೈ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂದಿರ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ. ಹಾ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡಿ ನಿಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊಂಟ ಕೈ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂದಿರ್ತಾನ.
Good feeling by Tejviru. I'm here. Oh, shit. Yeah. I'm here just sitting.
What about the other leg?
Pretty much. Let's end
I
this
don't-
stuff. Oh,
ಹಾ ಬೋಲ್ ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ
oh, oh, oh.
ಬಿಡು 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 ಸೊಕ್ಕಸ್ ಸೊಕ್ಕಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್
That was a very that was a very close call. It could hit me right just here. It went just here.
ಹಾ ಈ ಬರೋಬ್ಬರ್ 40 ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ
Oh, where is it?
ಒಗಿಬೇಡ
Oh,
ಇಲ್ಲ
it started pretty good, and the sun is like
Gadi ho.
blazing. And a 6. A very wonderful 6 by Pokka IPL player. So guys, last ball.
ಬಾರಿ ಇರಾತಿ
Because of the sun.
ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಿಂದ್ರಸ್ತಾರ ಸುಬ್ಬು ನೀನು ಹಾಕು
Like the light ray. The light ray
Oh.
is coming straight.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಓಡಾಡಕ
So guys, the power. Oh, there's no keeper over here. So it's put single. It's glaring. Thing is that I want to sit also, and it's glaring. Yeah,
ಅದೇ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು
I guess.
ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಡ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
And a 4. The glare reduced, thank God.
ಬಾಲ್
Oh, now Uzil was spin attack. Let's see.
ಬಾಲ್
Oh, I don't know why am I talking it. And Ankit does not want to do any. He is so called Mashkiri. Oh, it's another ball. Ankit, run, Ankit. Good.
ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
It's not a 4. Oh, there's 4. And here I'm just missing. Oh,
Wide.
oh. This was a
ಏನಪ್ಪ
good call. So, next over, first ball. Oh, that's a very close.
ಮಜಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಡಿ ಒಂಚೂರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
So, guys, 8th over.
ವೈಟ್ ಬಿಡುವ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ ಹೇಳಿನ
Um,
ವೈಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟ 74 ದಾಟಿಲ್ಲ
satisfied.
ಏನ 63 ಅಂದಿದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹಾ ದಾಟಿಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
But many times it still wins. So, let's continue. I guess. See my tripod. Actually, I can't show it. It's like in a way.
ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀರ ಅಂತ ಹಂಗೆ ಅದು
Right.
ಏ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಗಲಿ ಆಡ್ಕೊತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ನೋಡೋಣ ಸರಿ ಆಡು ಮೊದಲು
The words are pretty late. The umpire, I think you don't know how to umpire. Oh,
ಏ ಅಜ್ಜ
and a 4.
ಏನ್ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂದಿರ್ತಿಪ್ಪ
Very fantastic goal by Ankit.
ಅಜ್ಜ ಹಾ
It is very good.
ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Now, fifth ball.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ತಳ ಹಾಕಿನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫೋಟೋ ಫೋಟೋ
The clouds are moving pretty. I think I guess it's now. The cloud color is coming. But
Hey, Subha.
inside the cloud
ಸುಬೇ ಸುಬೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಉಜ್ಜೆಯಿಂದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡಿ
came.
ಓ ಏ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಬಡದೈತಿ ಬಾಲ್ ಬಾಲ್
I
Last ball.
because it Strip to the camera.
Wide हो. Wide. पूरा height है.
We are standing atop of the debris.
Wide.
So let's continue. Oh. Bowling.
सुबह
I almost fell over here. Like I was, it just slipped.
go, come on. 9th over.
Everyone is
Ball है.
good mood.
9th over, second ball.
Oh.
Hey, hello.
After this ball, we are gonna see a different.
ಹಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕಿನ ಏನು ಒಗ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ ಹೇಳ.
They already started.
ಏ ಸರಿ ಹೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಂಡ್ರೋಗ್ ನೀ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಡ
Different angle.
ಬಾಲ್
Too bored. If I had standing there, it would have hit me.
ಒಗಿಬೇಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೈಯ ಕೊಡು.
Last two balls of this over.
Guys, I'm really frustrated.
Oh, base.
ಬೇ ಕಡ್ವಾರು ತಳಗ
Spin.
ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡತ್ತಿನ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರು ಇರ್ಲಿ.
So 4 runs to win for my team.
ಬಾಲ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್
Bowling.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್
Strategizing.
ಔಟ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಔಟ್ ಐತಿ ಕೇಳವನಿ ನಿನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನಿ ಕೇಳ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 33 ನೀನು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Guys, finally we have won.